Okay, we're getting ready for our trip to the Badlands. We're gonna go see Mount Rushmore. But on this trip, we decided to do another upgrade. And that is putting on the Mopeka Pro Check tank sensors. We bought this, we're not affiliated or anything like that, but we've seen a lot of people using it and they swear by it. So we're gonna try it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to download the Mopeka app on your cell phone. You can do that with an Android or an iPhone. And so what they give you is they give you a little bit of grease for the connection here. It attaches with some magnetics, which is kind of interesting. And they give you spacers because there's got to be a certain amount of distance. And I checked it and my tank doesn't, so I will be using these spacers. All right, so the first thing they're going to want you to do is they want you to put it on a level surface. Level surface like that. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to sync it, holding it down, and it's going to find it. I hope. And there it is, a new device, and it shows empty. That's good. You see that? So I already checked one, put one in so I could tell you how I'm doing it, so I figure out how I'm doing it. Then what they want you to do is go here to the sensor position, and they want you to 0. So they want to make sure you're at a flat position. So then it's kind of an interesting deal. You see how it moves it? So that's going to recalibrate it. Okay. So the next step that we're going to do is, this is the new one. No, that's the left. So I want the new device. It shows empty because it's on the ground. I am going to take this off. Now, this is going to be a good test because I'm not sure if, well, they're not empty. That's a good thing. So I'm going to put these on, these spacers on. That will lift it up a little bit, and there's no recipe for it, but it gives you 3 of them, so I'll put 3 of them on. All right, then I take a rag and I clean this off right here. Okay, and then what they want you to do now is they want you to take this and put grease on the sensor. This black thing is a sensor. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. Put that, probably just some electrical grease. And it sticks on just like that. And you get it close to where you think it's center, and then we're gonna put it back on the floor. It's already sensing it, and it's already saying that it's 46%. And now I'm going to do the positioning.
Do you have to be this close to it?
No, you don't. Gotta wait a few
Almost
minutes.
there.
It's almost there. You get the basis of the idea. You basically got to zero that into this into the circle as best you can, and then that's it. And then you just put it on your propane tray, and that's it.
What are you wearing?
Whoa. Our new shirts. Look.
They're in gray.
We decided to go gray this time. You know, I didn't like the way the black was fading, so we went with the gray. How much can gray fade, right? So this is our new shirts. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these t-shirts, let us know. Write us an email. Write us a comment. Venmo us some money and we'll send it to you. We'll let you know. Well, see, here's an interesting thing. I put this baby in. Gotta get this thing up. And because of the spacers,
It gets higher.
makes it at a higher level. In our adventures with propane tanks, I told you before we had a gas leak coming out of here. Grand Design has replaced our regulator because there was a recall, so we had that done. And then we put on 2 gas stops, and now we've just finished putting on our Mopeka Pro Check, which basically checks the level of our propane. So as long as it's someplace close in between, as long as it's touching those lines, it's going to be okay. And then so now I'm going to call this new device what am I going to call it? I have a left, I have a right. Well, what I was going to do is do it on which side you sleep. So this would be the side you sleep on, that's the side I sleep on. You never go wrong that way, so we'll call it Rhonda and Stan.
Or 53, because I'm 53.
Yeah, but sometimes we switch them up.
I know.
You know what I mean?
That's true.
Well, hopefully.
Well, but if you switch them up, then it's still on that tank.
Okay, so we're going to call you Rhonda 53. Okay, there you go. We're going to call this one Stan 141.
Not always have to be on that side.
Well, here's the trick. Do we take those sensors off every time that we fill our gas tanks and have them to reposition, or will they stay on just the way they are? So what do you guys do? Do you guys take your sensors off when you fill it up and then reposition them again? Let us know in the comments. Something new for us. So just a quick update on the Mopeka Pro tank propane sensors. We've been on the road for 3 weeks. Those things work great. Game changer. I think I brought it down to about 27% and was wondering if that was a little bit too low, we're gonna run out. I went for it. And otherwise I would have never have done that, you know? So it works great, works perfect. And like I said, 3 weeks on the road, no fail whatsoever. So there you go. If you like what you see, make sure you give us a thumbs up on the content, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell if you want to continue to find out when our next video is. So over the hill adventures until the next time. God bless.